Hello guys, my name is Tejas Ramesh Navle. Today is 14 February 2023. Today's Viva topic is data binding in Java. Angular, sorry. So data binding is the core concept of Angular is used to define the communication between the component and the component is the it is the technique of the link your data your view layers. So in a simple word, you can say that the data binding is the communication between the your description code of your component of your template which with the C's. So it makes easy defines interface application without the worrying about the public the data. So next is the one way data, two types is the data binding: one way data binding, two way data binding. Data binding, one way data binding is the simple one of the communication via HTML to change the we can change the TypeScript codes in the one way data binding. The value of the code is used to the view, but you can the update model from the view. So next is the Angular interpolation, string interpolation, property binding, and the event binding are the example of the way of the binding. So two-way data binding. So first is second is the two-way data binding. Two-way data binding, automatic synchronization. The data happens with the models and view the change reflect both components. So next is the whenever you make the change, the it will be the refers view. The when you make change in the view reflect is the model. So next is the this is the happens immediately automatically ensure that the HTML templates and the TypeScript are the update of the all times. So of the all times whenever you make change the module and it is reflect the view, and you make change the will reflect the model. So about Angular provide types of the binding: string interpolation, property binding, event binding, or two-way binding. So this is all about data binding in Java. It makes the easy defines and the interaction application without wearing the pushing and the publishing in the data. So we can the simple word you can the say that data binding is the communication of the between your TypeScript and the HTML code or HTML code. This is the bind our the data and working the another in this HTML or TypeScript data binding and show the console this output, and this the examples. So this is the data binding in Angular in Java. So thank you.